essential conjunctive adverbs you must know in Chinese. Well, have you ever do two things at the same time? Or when you are driving, you can talk to someone? Or when you are reading a book and you are also drinking a coffee? Yes. In this video, we are going to learn 一边,一边,一边 plus a verb and another 一边 plus another verb. It helps us to say we want to do two things at the same time. For example, when we are traveling, we can say, when traveling, we enjoy the scenery and take photos at the same time. Well, I know in proper English, probably you would say, when traveling, we enjoy the scenery while taking photos. But actually in Chinese, if we translate word by word, the not that good English should be, when traveling, we enjoy the scenery and take photos at the same time. So in Chinese, 旅游的时候，我们一边欣赏风景，一边拍照。旅游 travel 的时候 when travel when. In Chinese, we put when after the thing. Not like in English, we put when first. So 旅游的时候 when traveling, 我们 we 一边 that's the word 一边欣赏 enjoy 风景 scenery 一边欣赏风景一边拍照 take photos 一边欣赏风景一边拍照 Well, some of us may have a habit. We eat and play with our phones at the same time. Can we try to say that in Chinese? Let's have a try. Play on the cell phone and eat at the same time is a bad habit. I know in proper English, probably you would say, playing on the cell phone while eating is not a good habit. Well, in Chinese, it should be 一边玩手机玩 play 手机 cell phone 一边玩手机一边吃饭吃饭 eat something so 一边玩手机一边吃饭 playing on the phone while eating 是 is 不好的 bad 习惯 habit. Well, somebody have bad habit, but somebody do have good habit. For example, Miss Bella likes drawing and listening to music at the same time. Miss Bella 喜欢 like 一边画画一边plus the verb 画画 drawing 一边听音乐听 listen 音乐 music 一边画画一边听音乐 drawing and listening to music at the same time. Now I'm going to tell you my secret. Mr.Li likes dancing and brushing teeth at the same time. Mr.Li 喜欢一边跳舞一边刷牙 So whenever you want to say somebody does two things at the same time, you want to connect two verbs, please use 一边 plus the verb and 一边 again plus another verb. It makes your expression much more powerful. Thank you. 谢谢你